Hey, bro, what year is it, bro?
It's a 2008 ZHZ.
Hey, man. Woo! Let me get that. Let me get it in back. Let me get it in back. Yes, sir. 408 Stroker, man. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Look at it, bro. Hey, man, we got a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette. Very clean, man. It almost looks like it's brand new, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hey, look at you, man. Look at you. Man, what year this thing in, bro? 2012, y'all see it, YouTube. Got the convertible Corvette. You know what I'm saying? 2012. Look at that, man. Yes, sir, mate. Hey, man, for real, real talk, man. Hey, this Chevy's R Us, baby. This is what we do. Hey, do it again. Oh, yeah. That's it right there. You too, you too. Have you ever in your life dreamed of owning a Corvette? That's an expensive car. But with God, all things are possible. I want to share with y'all today what God did for my neighbor Kenny and a few more people I know. But before we do that, I want to ask y'all a question. How would you like to know how to put one of these Corvette motors in an old school car that run like this? I'm satisfied, you too, you too. '72 convertible Impala LS3 Swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. We did our fuel system. We show you how to do the fuel system as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Now let's swap, baby. Make sure you watch this video all the way through. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all, what you getting ready to see in this video, I know for a fact that God will do the same thing for you. Remember that, YouTube. Let's get it. This is Chevy's R Us right here, man.
Hey, one of 350 made.
Hey.
ZHZ.
ZHZ?
Yeah. They made 350 of these and then like 150 of the, what was that? Of the soft top.
Soft top?
Yeah.
Hey, man, this is Chevy's R Us. Y'all heard him. Say that one more time, bro.
It's a Chevy ZHZ.
Chevy ZHZ. Look here, man. Y'all see it right there, YouTube. Hey, man. What year model is this, bro?
2008.
2008? Man, I got a neighbor that live right across the street from me. He just bought a 2006. Kenny. You know Kenny? Yeah, man. This is beautiful right here, man. Hey, man. Woo! Let me get that. Let me get it in back. Let me get it in back. Hey, man, y'all hear that? Hey, tap the gas real quick. Hey, man, y'all hear it, YouTube? Hey, where you find this thing at, bro?
Down in South Georgia.
South Georgia, man.
Yeah.
Hey, it's beautiful, man. Truly beautiful, bro. Hey, bro, this Chevy's R Us, man. You want to give a shout out?
Shout out to Chevys R Us.
Hey, y'all heard him, man. Y'all heard him. You too. Right now, bro. Hey, look at you, man. Look at you. Man, what year this thing in, bro? 2012. Y'all see it, YouTube. Got the convertible Corvette. You know what I'm saying? 2012. Look at that, man. Yes, sir, baby. Hey, man, for real talk, man. Hey, this Chevy's R Us, baby. This what we do. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, you want to give a shout out, bro?
Well, hey, man, just to you, dog, for even taking the time out to hit me up. So I appreciate that. I'll be watching the videos. Hey, man, y'all like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, appreciate that, man. God bless, man. Hey, y'all heard him. You too. Hey, man, what going on with you, Kenny Ken?
What up?
What it do, man? What it do? All eyes on you, man. You know I got to put the camera on you, bro.
What's up?
So talk to me, man. How you feel about going to look at this Corvette, bro?
Feeling good. It's in good shape.
Man, you too. Hey, man, we got a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette. What'd you say? It's what?
Ceramic coated.
Ceramic coat. Okay, yeah.
Fiber coated.
Yeah, man. Y'all check it out, man. It's unmolested, untouched. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody chopped on it. Ain't nobody did anything to it, man. Very clean, man. It almost looks like it's brand new, man. You know what I'm saying? So, prayerfully, man, this is what Kenny is gonna get right here, man. This sucker nice. Yeah, bro. Look at it, man. Look at it, YouTube. Check it out, man. Wow. Look.
I was thinking if you ever wanted to do like that whole center console carbon fiber, I have a website.
Look at it, YouTube.
Oh yeah. At this point, I didn't like the edges were like.
Yeah, man. LS, baby. Corvette Power, baby. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. YouTube. Hey, check it out, man. Look at him, YouTube. Got the Corvette, man. Look at that LS motor. Hey, man, y'all see it, bro. Hey, they trying to run me over, eh? Hey, look at it, YouTube. Yes, sir. 408 stroker, man. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Look at him, bro. Hey, man, that thing right. Hey, look out. Check him out on the inside, YouTube. He got the computer right there. Y'all see him, man. Look here, man. Y'all see the computer right there, YouTube. Hey, man, this is Chevys R Us, bro. You want to give a shout out?
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Chevys R Us.
Hey, man, y'all heard him, YouTube. Hey, I appreciate you, man. Do it again. Look at him, baby. 2023 Corvette, YouTube. Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, that's it. That's it right there, man. That boy nice, bro. Gonna let the top back. Oh yeah. That's it right there. You too. So look, man. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see where it's at. It's in the garage, man. So look, man, if I want to ask you one question, man. What would you tell the person that hadn't got their dream car, that hadn't got that car that God put on their heart, or you know what I'm saying? What would you tell that person, man, that ain't got that yet?
Keep praying, you know. Hey, be patient, you know. Keep looking. You know, take your time. It's out there. Be out there. You get it.
Hey, y'all heard him, man. Hey, y'all heard him, man. That's it. But y'all see it, man. God is good. God is good. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Everything worked out. And, you know, we right here. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Y'all see it. Woo! You loving the way it drive?
Oh, yeah.
Drive beautifully, don't it?
Yeah. Do good. Smooth.
Smooth. Y'all heard him, YouTube. This my neighbor, man.